Creating a new message is quick and easy. Type in the address you want. Google Maps displays existing addresses. Go ahead and click the one you want. You can also directly click to a location on the map or drag the radius to where you want it. Now, you can set the size of the radius of the geofence, which is the boundary that triggers the audio message to play. The default radius is 1 mile. You can make it bigger when you want receivers to hear a message further from the location. Make the radius smaller when you want them to hear a message closer to the location. Write the title and then the message. You can see how many seconds the audio message plays while a receiver drives at average speed. Its default setting is for today, and receivers will hear it in the field from the time you save it until the end of the day when they arrive at the set location. Now assign this message to receivers. As the operator, you're the default receiver. You change this simply by editing who the receivers are. You can choose from your list of contacts or from your list of groups. Save your selection, and now save the message. Next, we will look at the ways you can adjust the message settings.